Sorry for the 6 seconds ahead. Welcome back to some more Dead by Daylight. I am Vampire Blood 212, also known as Coda. I figured I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I would do one of these. Oops. I'll maybe do a Slime Rancher video later. And I'm going to try to get a Last of Us video in later. I'm probably only going to do one match, depending how long it is. Maybe two, if I can get both in on time. And how are you all doing? I'm doing good. Just waiting for the match to go. If it goes. There it goes. I think the game's having some issues. I know Kill With Your Friends is having some issues. So I don't know if the whole rest of the game is or not. So we'll go ahead and try it and see. And hopefully it won't become too much of an issue. If so, I guess we just move on to the next game then. I went ahead and got, in Slime Rancher, I went ahead and got rid of the pink Largo that's near the beginning of the map. And that was really, really close. Oh, go this way. Help me do this generator. As the killer is coming this way. Now I shall go and do the generator now since he's not so close. I spawned like right next to him. That is not cool. Ooh. Alrighty. Why do I have a med kit? I guess I should have switched that out. Okay, I know he picked her up, right? There she is. I'll be there momentarily. I'm halfway done. I just hope he's not camping her. Almost done. Something tells me that's a yes. I never used my sprint burst. Something tells me I'm gonna regret trying to come get her. Okay. So they were down over there, so I can help her real quick. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Oh, I wonder if this will distract them. Just maybe. Maybe. I don't know if someone just can keep them distracted long enough, I can get her. Or him. Oh, you bastard. I can't get to them. Well, that was at least a distraction. We got him down. Go ahead. Get the heal points. Ugh. Now would be a good time to run. I need a toolbox. Oh, cool, he got off. I am gonna try to work on this generator so we can get out of here. That guy's dead hook. Oh, he went straight for him. Sorry. Goodbye. We tried. Oh no. Where's he taking him? Dude, you suck. We just need one more generator. Oh, I so wish I had a toolbox right now. See around. Quickly go for him. Oh my god, the lag. We just need one of these. And then we're home free. Come on, help me, help me, help me. And then we're home free. Home free. Oh no. Gotcha. I wish I had a better sprint boost. Does he not know there's a door here? I hope she gets it open. Is she dead hook too? I can't remember. No. Ah. Oh, come on, that lag. You are so freaking laggy. I will attempt this. Dude, you are so freaking laggy. And you can't. I need to get Nia's sprint boost up. Yes. Get that first. Go ahead and get this. Get that. Get this. Get that. Get this. Oh, that's right. I don't get the third one yet, do I, for her? Ah. Ranger Med Kit, a large metal box containing medical supplies aimed for emergency rescues in hard-to-reach, often isolated areas. 24 charges considerably increase the speed that you heal others. Moderately increased skill check success zones. Moderately increased skill check bonus zones. Unlocks the self-healing action. Ooh. Sadly, we have that. And then I just got 3 of these. I think we're gonna go ahead and end it there. You guys see me level up Nia. I still got another video to try to do for my sister, because I had forgotten about it, so I'll have to see if I can actually get it to go this time. So I will go ahead and say bye. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, like, comment, subscribe. At least like. And bite you later. Bye.